In this video, you will explore some features of Power Query and learn to navigate the Power Query editor interface. Adio Quinn, the data analyst at AdventureWorks, asks you to clean and transform the company's sales data, which is scattered across multiple sources in preparation for data analysis. Power Query can help you with this. Power Query is part of Power BI Desktop, allowing for seamless data preparation within the Power BI environment. Power Query is a data transformation and data preparation tool, allowing you to connect, clean, and transform data from a wide range of sources. It ensures that your data is ready for analysis, enabling you to create insightful visualizations and reports. Let's explore how Power Query helps you clean, shape, and organize data from various sources. The first feature is data connectivity. Power Query connects to various data sources, both on-premises and the cloud, directly within Power BI Desktop. You can access data from traditional databases as well as file-based sources. Next, there's data extraction and transformation. Power Query's interface allows you to extract and transform data with ease. During the extraction process, you can filter, sort, and apply custom transformations, ensuring that you import only the required data. Then, there's the Power Query editor in Power BI within Power BI Desktop, which provides a graphical user interface, or GUI, for designing and managing queries. Tabs such as Home, Transform, Add Column, and View have data manipulation tools. There's also query reusability and applied steps. Power Query records each transformation as an applied step, allowing you to review, modify, or delete any step. This ensures that your data transformations are transparent and easily modifiable. Finally, there's performance and scalability. Power Query handles large data sets efficiently, using various techniques that optimize performance and reduce memory usage. Let's demonstrate these features in Power Query. To achieve Jamie's goal of increasing sales, you must work with sales data from different regional teams stored in different file formats like Excel, CSV, and even a SQL database. To get started, you'll need to import this data into Power BI using Power Query. To begin the import, you must add a data source. In the Power BI Desktop, in the Home tab, select Get Data to choose a data source. The Power Query editor opens in a separate Power BI window where you can apply various data transformations, such as removing columns, changing data types, and filtering data. Next, you need to load the data, select your data source, and configure the connection settings if necessary. Select Transform Data to open the Power Query editor. Now, let's discover how to navigate in Power Query. The Power Query editor has several key areas. Let's start with the ribbon. The ribbon is the set of toolbars at the top of the window. It helps you quickly find the commands that you need to complete your tasks. The ribbon tabs, such as Home, Transform, Add Column, and View, contain commands and tools for data transformation and manipulation. The Queries pane is located on the left side of the editor. The Queries pane displays a list of all the queries in your project. Select a query to view or edit its applied steps and data preview. This pane is where you can manage and navigate between different queries in your project. By selecting a query, you can view the data and the applied steps associated with it, helping you keep track of your work and maintain organization in your project. Then, on the right pane, below the ribbon, there's the Applied Steps section. It displays the sequence of transformations applied to the selected query. Select a step to view the data state at that point, or delete, reorder, or modify steps as needed. The Applied Steps section provides a visual representation of the transformations applied to your data, making it easier to understand the changes made. By reviewing the applied steps, you can identify errors, redundancies, or inefficiencies in your data transformations. Finally, in the center of the Power Query window, let's explore Data Preview. The Data Preview pane displays a preview of your data as it appears after the applied transformations. You can interact with the data by sorting, filtering, or changing the data type of columns. This pane enables you to review your data at different stages of the transformation process, helping you to get your transformations accurate and effective before loading the data into the data model. In this video, you learned that Power Query is a versatile tool in Power BI that streamlines data import, cleaning, and transformation from multiple sources. Its features, such as data connectivity, data extraction, and transformation, make it an integral part of Power BI Desktop. It helps you prepare and transform data from different sources within AdventureWorks to simplify analysis and create insightful visualizations and reports. The Power Query Editor interface offers a user-friendly experience, allowing you to perform various data transformations with ease.